You must have heard about the term integration multiple times in various aspects. You probably heard it for the first time in one of the chapters from mathematics, right? But do you know what integrated learning means? Like every other thing, learning methods keep evolving from time to time. From the past few years, the concept of integrated learning has grabbed the attention of every educator and learner. So, what is it? How does it apply in educating our children? Is this the future of educational curriculum in India? This video answers all these questions in simple words. Let us start by understanding the very meaning of the term integrate. It means to combine one thing to another to form a whole. So it can be derived that integration refers to the combination and fusion of one or more things together. In the field of education, integrated learning refers to making an attempt to connect different subjects based on core concepts and experiences. It focuses on the application of the acquired skill or information in real life or practical situations. There are mainly three types of approaches that integrated learning can adopt. Some of them have already been incorporated by teachers, while other methods still remain to be explored by educators in India. First one is multidisciplinary approach. A theme or a topic is chosen and knowledge is imparted using that theme through various subjects. Let us take an example to understand this better. Let's say the theme is water. Now the educator or educators of different disciplines will use this theme to teach their respective subjects. A science teacher may teach about the water temperatures and its volume. A math teacher can give problems related to water measurements. A geography teacher may teach about various water bodies and how it gets distributed, and so on. The next approach is interdisciplinary approach. A child is learning about fractions in his or her math class. Going beyond what textbooks have to offer, he or she is given the opportunity to make a craft or bake a cake. Basically, activities that would involve the use of fractions to perform a task. If the child has baked cake, he or she will then be asked to distribute it among 5 to 6 people. Again, they will have to apply their knowledge and learning about fractions which they learned in their math class. See how one learning impacted the child's mathematics, cooking, and social skills? That's what interdisciplinary approach is all about. Taking learning from one discipline and applying it to another. The third one is the transdisciplinary approach. This approach allows students to experience a paradigm shift in their learning trajectory. They are given the opportunity to start backwards, which means that they start by having meaningful discussions and raise relevant questions and then connect it to the subject matter. This is mostly done through projects that will allow them to go beyond the school curriculum and explore channels of application for the knowledge gained. The aim of this approach is to provide students and learners a chance to apply their learning in real-life context. Isn't that what education is all about? Integrated learning involves various sources and methods of teaching, learning, to provide an educational experience that is interactive, inclusive, and application-based. All three approaches help to build a chain of connection between various disciplines of subjects, providing a holistic process of learning. Therefore, it can be rightly said that with integrated learning, it becomes easier for children or students to understand the applications of theories in real life or practical situations. Knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. So share this video with your near and dear ones and let them know about integrated learning practices. Like, subscribe and comment below and share your thoughts about integrated learning. Thanks for watching.